come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwada me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with your Maya. Me person me come any months with Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So Jehovah, hello, I be thy name.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. You?
I'm good. You like reading, pal? Is that your hobby?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of hobby. Oh, wow. Me too. I like reading, pal, but I read it in a secret place so you don't see.
Oh,
okay. Like you come to this school, I haven't seen that you have a friend.
I don't want to be with anybody. I just want to be alone.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Today people, they are not good. And then people are bad. I'm never bad. Yeah. They are not good. And the students in this school, I don't want to talk too much. They are wicked.
Okay.
If you try to be friends with them, they will spoil you.
My mom and dad said that I should not mingle with anybody. They don't want any problem. They don't want to hear anything from me.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. You don't have to do that. I want to talk to you too, but I think you are busy reading something, so I have to go. So maybe later or something.
Oh no, we can't talk.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm a shy type, so when I'm speaking with a beautiful lady like you, then I become a shy.
Please don't be shy.
You are so beautiful.
You too, you're handsome.
Who? Hey, you like teasing,
No, I'm not lying.
Hey, bro, you are teasing me.
No.
Who is handsome?
You.
Me? Hey, you are a liar.
You are nice. I'm not lying.
Anyways, that was just by the way. Didn't tell me why. My reading was my show, my exam was say was and I mean so no, I dear me need circular no baze. Pen was about young Kunam. As in the hot jaw, as a no so affair, I was a good pen clips. And one of me.
Hey,
you want about pen clips. Who said they Michelle, I can tell me come to some conf. Me who are not saying Kuma was it? Me won't be open clips. I never say me money panati. Me Kuma, but I mean Kuma, Mamma Boca. I say we see me real plans. Yeah. So, do you have a boyfriend?
Me, no.
I'm a kind. You don't have a boyfriend?
Yes, why?
It's so sad, like beautiful girl like you don't have a boyfriend. So you have to get a boyfriend or someone, your partner who will pamper you. You see, when you be a overcalling chairman a crow. Oh, when you have dream cry and I raw who I say over mama draining him dear. Oh, you have to get someone like that.
Okay.
Hey, you said you have a sexy eye. Wow. You have a sexy eye. Wow. What a God of creation. What a God, really no me about there. That is how I am. I'm a jovial.
I like you.
Yeah, I'm a jovial type. Yeah, so please, if we become close, are you okay? I like you. Yeah, you closer.
You won't bring problems to me, right?
Me dear, problems there, I'm not sure. Problems there. The school man I want me pen once him. You be so mom catch you. Ubisa say Opoku pa ne suman ti say on bechi macho. Me pen once him. And I obi am come here me ko kan. Oh. Na me Kristo sum tie. Me na me som. Papa na me shit down na me bonfire on. Me na me di ma school.
Ah.
Last time say ijato dormitory hono e ka te ko jina chiro bonfire. Me ba ne jana dum.
I already like you.
Yes. Can we be close?
Sure.
We can be close. Oh. If close abem guy, man, gada from na me famous.
Famous.
It's a term. So, I want to say something, but I'm a shy.
No, you can't say it.
So, can I be your boyfriend? Can I be your boyfriend? Like, can we be in a relationship?
Are you sure you like me?
Hey, I like you very, 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 very much. It's not only like I love you.
Okay.
I love you from the bottom of my heart. From the very first day I saw you in this school, I see that this is my rib. I see that this is my rib. Okay. I like you.
Then yes.
Yes, like.
I will be your girlfriend. Where are you going?
You say?
I said yes. I will be your girlfriend.
You'll be my girlfriend?
Yes.
Oh. My blame what? My blame. Sweetheart. Bra my blame.
My precious, just listen to me. Just break up with that guy.
Madam, so aren't you tired? Aren't you tired of begging me?
Precious, I can't be tired if you don't break up with Aroma. Please, that's why I'm kneeling.
But why do you have a problem with it?
He's my own blood, he's my brother. Aroma is no good guy.
And I want him.
Precious, like...
You can't tell me who I can date and who I can't date. Adams.
Precious, listen. Even if you choose Aroma, just go outside and choose, sorry for my words, these mad people outside instead of Aroma.
Adams, me, I'm tired of you. I mostly don't want to talk to you, but I don't know why I just get caught up in this.
Precious, this time I'm not asking you, I'm not begging you to accept me. I know that you don't need me anymore. But I'm begging you because I don't want you to be with Aroma.
And I want to be with Aroma.
Precious.
You can't tell me what to do, eh?
Precious, I know I can't tell you what to do, but please. For this one, please listen to me.
I don't want to listen to you. It's my decision. When you lay down, sir. You can't change my decision. This is what I want to do.
This decision is not going to help you, Precious. Precious, it's not going to help you. Aroma, he's a wicked guy. Aroma is my own blood. He's very wicked.
He's not wicked.
Aroma is wicked.
He's not wicked.
Precious said, for you to date Aroma, I said go and date a madman outside. Precious, Aroma will not help. Even if you want me to kill him for you to work, I will do it. Aroma.
You will kill Aroma for me.
See, it's just something small.
Hey. Also, where are you going? Why are you getting up? We need cap in the baby. Adams.
Adams go to the
We need cap baby.
Didn't you see?
Come. Hey, come here.
Come here. Wait.
Hey.
Married.
Master, don't touch me. Hey. Adams.
Someone is calling you with him and you are still following me.
He's the one I want.
Adams. Adams, what do you want?
What's the Jolly your name? Huh?
What do you want, Adams? Oh, sir, you're just confused. You don't know what you want. And you know, why? Now you want to kill me. That's what you're saying.
Yeah. Kill you for what?
I didn't hear you. I heard you.
Has it got into that? Ask her if I mentioned anything about killing.
What does he want? What is he saying?
He says I should stay away from you. And then a mad person is even better than you.
Look, see who is talking. A mad person is better than me.
You were saying a lot about him. Say it to his face, eh? Eh?
Well, Adams, let me tell you. If I'm to tell you, hey, listen, she is mine, and I don't want to see you with her again. Please. With all due respect, Adams, I respect you. So please respect me. Huh? Why? Thank you. Do you have anything to say to me? Nothing, right? I don't want to see you with him, please. Huh? I don't want to see you with him. Even if he needs help, walk away.
Why when I always say OHI?
Why were you saying?
I said now require test positive. So just let her be aware now.
I don't think she has a problem with that.
Yeah, just let her be.
Even if I have it, she wouldn't get a problem with that.
So tell her.
That's her business, not yours. This guy like you may know HIV. Adams, you want to do everything to win her back, my boy. But when you say now treat you, no, Adams, I'm not sure she will come back to you. So stop wasting your time, okay?
Me no want to treat you bad.
Why?
Me no want to treat you precious bad.
Who then I say one kind of channel, and it's not good. It is not good. You need to take me say me giant of fan down. And do some man. I always say, yeah, I'm with her, and I've regretted that decision. It's no man. We are together now, okay? Big boy, don't worry yourself. Come on,
Where are we going to?
let's go. Or you, let's go. Let's go.
I'm waiting for you.
Wait me. When somebody again pick up phone to me.
Show. Listen to me. I don't want to hear anything. Adams, me show. Adams. Good. Listen.
Say school month me bien. Bien, c'est moi house school month. Me bien, c'est me life I pass house school month. C'est mba mi no mo dating na bien de me bien me koye say I say say me say madan ni paponi mi wo school mo masa oba bia so mpema say biem like minim dey say and they say they ban me from life when you was school mo. They ban me from life when you was school mo. And I say, what to my command? Let me don't go on, I guess, dear. We're dating the ex now, we're seeing a way, charming.
Yeah, me punk when I mean, you the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso and Maya. Me, person me come any months.
That's it. Yeah, so I've been big in yeah,
Goodness, we're the any blessing now about.
and
Okay, I say maybe we know the thing from say Aroma not precious. Okay, because I say almost I must start you man thing. Goodness, what JD say Aroma not precious. As a cabo man, or more chimp name wedding. Aroma, titi, a girl no or hano. No say make a cry. Aka you better final exams. Omo me ensua de o. Na aside the no kwan Aroma ha girl no. Ma making inquiries on say girls who store no. They say pressure sample onsua de o. osoro betina phone so obegina phone so oni Aroma be course and na no mu nam ha na yenso efu inside ni esua ade a for book say esua ade a na Aroma ne girl ne call phone so de highest ha girl no say ha ye nyina o school mu a yes easy
no obi twimpa no obi no wo school ma woni mpana
school next year school mo bia wo mpana no mpana o school mo awo mpana o school mo bia
wa bodam ho ane wo mpana o school mu a
school mo example na me mo bia wo mpana o school mu a
wa bodam papa ho ane wo mpana o school mu a
mesro mame school next sisi ano mpana no mo twe no me de me ni problem na say Aroma na we be ma precious yoba I say send yeti hostel no ma yesua de kwa na Aroma atwe phone de no ne girl no ana aside no girl na won san sua de no or ha girl no
na obi de ne wo de ne ba won sua de a eno ye wasam akro na otutu oba no sua won sua wo de na nsu ne twa wo de eno wo ha no de en
schoolness eno bia ha ana me no me senke me ha wanka me de wo mi na ka me ka kiro da Aroma plan so de be girl ni na ka me gina aka cho ba me nye me mfa ho
wa plan so be ndai na wo be mbia de o mienu asem
say osipie ba school mu anum the precious di ye na da for mu ana asem na obi anim say etwem comedy bi na ye etwem schoolness be je di Aroma so person ya na onyem girl na gen di kofi
no di kofi so ma ko wo fi o mu wo su mu a o fa metena ada santo onyem ne ba wuye nye no nam hoyi o fa metena
schoolness ye wie school Aroma no ono no okogonja fo kuro mu
na do okogonja o gen so nto
no get the fair o hunu we o person say get in life or say get in life cry forever
it is say wo how pan say wo how no
me how ne say one course na ye hostel sua de a na o de tutu ya so no
no tin e say ko live ne ku sua de ko live ne ku sua de won say we ntoko hunu ya be pay wo be pass am de ma na aye dey
students enye ntoko hunu me nua no me na me ntimi no ndi nkomo yin na de so person o de abade ya meka me ntimi no ndi ni yin na me na me nua no me no ni me di nkomo fa girl no and me girl no kama plan crampo so no bibi to na mfa me ho me de me but de me nua no adwen wa for girl no say students enye
hey na wo kura wo menti wase de ne hawo wo atenti na de bio bi no bi twimpa no be fe no akoka so pese onya asem sa maybe obeka ayi precious crew ye so ni maje obeka no ma mi di echi ko wie na ade na anye sa eko wie ase ne me egu ase ko busa akora enye sa wo de ne hawo enti na wo kura wo nye sa
students nyesa me ni master
fa ju mi fa asem frako no a
students na me kasa cross so hu se masesa
frako wo to ultimate sakọ hin enye de hie no be twa exam no ahwe so no wo sua de no wo twa no eduru se bo be twa exam se na wo ni han wo be so no ahwe so no sua de no wo twa exam no wo twa no kwase wo abon se kro to de na onim o to de na onim wo abon se yi no wo hwe su se ro ano kwa nse be hu hia e na wo di echiri
because the maker na was wuti
frako asem frako
kache pastor se be kra na Aroma no mama no ntwere exams ni bi no be ni di kra ye no like munya de o like girl no or ha girl no like so I say
wo bi ntwere exams ni bi na ye o de ye nyine di aba kamera kakra ni ye nyine di enka wo ye de wo na nke esi yi wadi samfu akwa frako asem ni ko asem frako no ha ana wonye kurasa
asem hia betu ani ma no why say asa asesa hu kasa kura so hu say me say nema mfa me ho ne ade like was boy no the best say again in life there ye pam na so one treasure am snibi no kofi ana de na esi oh no the ne high life be say o regi
me buta abaya no nua no
onye mi nua no ba den
o ba no odi enu no
schoolers onye mi nua na asa me ba ansa na ye de bibiye na aka me na
efa ho bai ayi wasem ade na wonye kurasa fa kwa asem fra kono a we wi minya da ja hye mi nuo nya ho abetwimde je beka asempa we ka we na beka ten wodi ka beka asem be mi ni nyina nkosi aga eti we abeka na ne beka akosi dai
de we tu ho anamo
mintu ho anamo
aputu ho anamo ne hwedi bi so de mi se tu ho anamo ne hwedi bi ana me information bi a eso kra chin wi am de be ma so otimi tu we ho anamo anam de be ma amoye ho
me de ko e dai me ko fa kwa asem fra ko ne kusua de ija ankwasa asem ne wo so no
me ade bi ntu de
be se ko
kusua de meka no
ko ne kusua ko ija ankwasa asem ne wo so no Akwa so wa no kwakwa sa de na abinya film. Obeka you no obeka you de na abinya film. Ba kwa sam fira kon ho a.
School nurse or fire boy.
On fun bi ode ko. Ah. Muti suma me ye ma ade ye hye mi ndo hye mi niema. Obetwe mi kiriri ma beduru ha no man sam fon kwa na ba beka a kire me. We ya asem. Me kokam ko hwe me ba no kwa me pedi ma.
Luigi. Wait me sorry sir, must stop for you. So me mean so me the way busy quiet into.
Me no share.
She dai como bina mpese me bisa asimbi. Ba maya ne de so me gather we na bisa. Luigi. Ampasa wo ne Opoku. So ne onye no so yanya nkwa. E won pass o guy no need it. Hi.
Yes.
I don't drone a chewana.
How?
It was looking so Opoku dear. School more de oba be na peno. Sebi won se send ni suban tie ni ntino. Oba bia nso da. Ana menim ana won tie nka.
I like him.
Also before said like odo de wa kuma to say if you like him enye bone by before say nka wo be for less and I was nka wo timi bi se say dey ntina school mo no nko ade o yes single oni girl bia what you say. It's a boy no. Only Opoku utwa.
Ah?
She. Utwa. Sa ano kom kan bo kum say.
Me hu bibisa.
Obi hu sa fe no ma start ana Opoku school mo hamba no. Like onu mu nyina de des.
Nji wo ndi obo.
Lichi, no school mo nya madamfo. Ana me no ni sa vibe. Say ka me no di agro kan me ka say oh Luchi die mene no what you say. By me free no ferry way in the mean and the so Opoku ncho. Opoku like yeah school mo ka say yes kwan chance as o ka say da o kwa. Opoku to no ka say nka na oba benya no.
What you are saying, I don't believe it. I will ask him. Like, I don't know.
You ask who?
Opoku.
I'm just giving you a tip off and you're going to ask him. You should just keep it as a secret and act on it. Opoku would like on you. Luchi, let me take everything short. Luchi, what is it? School one about it. Me no mean say why I really and answer I ready so per say would date and answer if you wanna be in a relationship. Yeah. Can you make that? Luchi. Stay at the home. You're over at school. I'm in love with you. Emma.
Are you done?
Yes. Please, you guys says my eyes. But I mean, so like sending out send me a send me train. Nanka you real school, Nanka. My building me future ni Nanka some my baby pill. Because I didn't just want you for anything temporary. I want you as my permanent wife.
Then surprise! I'm already in a relationship with Opoku.
With who?
Opoku.
I don't know. Opoku there's some way be no far dey be na mo.
No. Serious relationship, I beg.
So can you take Opoku to your parents to introduce them to him to them that he's your guy?
Why not? Why not?
Can you introduce Opoku to your family that he is your fiancé?
Yes, I will. 100%.
Oh come on. Stop joking.
I'm not joking. I'm serious.
Opoku can never be your guy.
Why?
Because no lady likes him on this campus.
But I do. I do like him, so.
Luchi, come on, Luchi. The way I'm a fool, I'm on it. Like, unse, Michelle cry, like, who library cry, and ask my friend, oh, Luchi, like, my fool, I'm a.
Into expected some angel Opoku mefa.
Opoku asim de jaye.
Share.
Who jaye wan be family? No, only no baby.
Aye.
Luchi.
Baby, you cost so bad.
Luchi. Unu Opoku no me can say no kwani like also instant na also refuse Opoku because Opoku there somebody like me can propose to you I catch you Opoku excuse.
Ah?
Opoku wait.
Oh. You just think about it. You know, you and Opoku. If it were me, will you pick yourself?
Let's see, what sort of question
No,
is this?
I'm just asking. You and him, will you choose yourself?
I'll choose myself.
Sure. Maybe I only be black.
Look at me. Scanty and Opoku. You choose Opoku over me.
Why not?
Oh, Luchi, come on, listen. Like I know I'm pissing you off, but just calm down.
See, I'm busy.
Oh, listen.
I'm late. I have to go.
So wait. No crack.
Mempel with Opoku.
Lucy. Hey, you're gonna join me. Oh, Benjamin, man, I just say more because about Opoku one day send an F. When I never pay be a Korea baby. Am I crown? Hey, come on, say so. Is a them ako. It's here to do. I'm fine. Yo, Charlie. Let me warn you. It's a warning. I'm not telling you. You see what you came to see over there? I and that girl. Hey, try and hold yourself. What you came to see over there is not what you are thinking.
What did I see?
Come on, don't pretend. You know what I'm talking about. What you came to see over there, you saw me and Luchi standing over there. And I'm telling you, it's not what you were thinking or what you are thinking. Huh?
Why? What did you think I was thinking?
I don't know what you are thinking, but you know what you are thinking. Listen, I don't want to hear any rumors on this campus that Scanty and Luchi have started something, blah blah blah. Because I know you very well. I know how you can gossip.
Have you started something?
Started what?
With Luchi.
With who?
Hey,
come on.
Adams!
Come on. Stop that. I've not started anything with Luchi. You don't know what I was telling her over there. You don't know the kind of conversation that we were having over there. I've not told Luchi anything.
I thought Opoku was your blood.
Opoku is my blood, and it's Opoku's girlfriend. So what will I have doing with you?
Like why? Why will you do such a thing, Adams?
And what have I done? Are you okay?
Hey, Adams!
Hey, come on. Are you normal?
You are scary, oh.
Do you know what I was telling her?
What were you telling her? Hey, Adams, you are a boy. You're a boy. Don't be doing such a thing. Hey.
Come on.
You are stepping Opoku's back.
Come on, don't piss me off. I'm stepping whose back?
Opoku, you are stepping his back.
And why will I do that? And do you think I like this? Do you think I like this thing? I
mean, man, sign. I was giving you a sign. Adams, leave this girl. Leave.
Hey, come on. Stop fooling. I don't like her. We have nothing doing. I was just advising her about something, and I was just asking her to take her study serious and other stuff. And yeah. And I know what you can do. That's why I'm just warning you.
I thought there were things going on.
Come on, stop fooling. Stop fooling.
Adams, you're insulting me.
I'm not insulting you. I'm just warning you. Come on, stop fooling.
I'm the one with the evidence.
But what evidence?
I saw what I saw.
Hey, come on. I swear to God, if I hear anything about what you saw,
yeah, I've heard you.
Yeah. Just let it be. Just take it as you didn't see anything. Take it as you didn't even pass by. Do you get it?
But yeah, I've heard you.
Come on.
Hey. Adams, nothing. I said I've heard you. Nothing will happen, Adams.
Come on.
But Adams.
Come on, stop. Come on, listen. Come on, you know you were a boy. So you for me. Like, I've not even done anything. Just go and follow me.
Hey, Adams. Now you. Oh, my child say you be jina honum. Now, baba be catch him say na man can. Say na be
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me person me come any months so drum me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso drum me ya.
Asa. Steven Cho. Steven Cho wa ube halam ya ide. Ube halam na ya madam funo.
Muna ga sam.
Na wana me kasara ho. Hwe Adams. Adams. Me, so we wicked jam me wicked jam.
I am I then.
Adams. Me we see na me na menye.
My den Opoku.
We be some why dey. I don't know school mo amoti sa. I don't know. I just want to say menya gya fofra na menya gya bi. Na mo nyina mo kɔ no ho. Gya no kɔ pɛ de no ho.
Makasa mbra for me.
Fro kɔ no a. Ana mo snakes, ada na mo Babylon sa. Ana mo fallacy for sa. Aye na gya na maje, na gya na maje. Hwa gya we dey, we ni me last kwenkwen o. Gya we dey. Owo mo ankwa mo bla me ni na ewu. Na bo gya we wa ko me se guma chi kura gya me ni na ewu. Muni ma me kan kire mo.
Honestly ma ko gya o.
Wa ko gya no, fro kɔ no a.
Na wo se na me ni city. Na ma me ko dan o gya o.
Wo ko sa di who is take care on abuwa na le kura na mja to from no.
Oku me ka bibia asem yanko.
Flower entantro, na gya na be ka kire me, gya na be ka kire me. I don't know what is that.
Gya na be ka kire.
Adams, ni metima your style bia ma on. Oni nka school ma kwa biem.
Opoku gya na be ka kire osma ba no.
Gya na be ka kire me. Na won ko no,
me nko no. Me nyamia.
Won ko luchi no.
Me nko luchi won nyamia.
He, wo ton trosa.
Me nko bia on. Me ko pe dan.
Adams, me be say chese mi tiri mo sum chan. Mi tiri na sum no. White ni mo. Black and kwa sum kwa na this akwa dey asa multiply. This year sum kwa na gumi tirim. Sum kwa. Me ne papa ba ku say. This year bone kwa. Okola santo na kana sem. Be careful. Be careful because metima your style bia mo ni nye. Because I didn't mean to be funny. I didn't think I was all the yummy.
I don't know what say sama was what for the person. What for the person about the evidence bia. What's my comment?
You don't know be na catch him so my person.
Ni pani di ni ka catch him.
Me get no man ni me nye madam fini ni ana. Me follow a the again be kana meet you. Enye me na for dem na me tiri for na me na for na ya ka.
What if say girl ni mum no na bi o person ba me ho no wa shede ma sa for mat. Me nko girl.
Girl ni person na wo ya wan. Wo ya majida na say wo Vanvika. O girl me girl ana wo ya bi. Me girl person ba ho.
Onim dey wo street.
Me dey me ka kire wa no. Sa na girl na ka kire me. It is onim be play sa game ni dey amate. Me metima kire wiki. Ka me ba ho. Se ma say me te say so call like ka me ba ho. Ama be say mo like you obede. She, utiri yakra say share bontin. Ka like you ka me be say mo. Aboda mapa. You gam. Mo tale gan wo sa. Gan no nam school wana hu no. Gan no nam school wana hu no. Ana wan ko pele dada. Afia wo se me gan twempra fi na ko pe no.
Opoku me se me nko pe girl no.
Wa ko pe no asem. Wa ko pe no tanto wa ko pe no. Wa ko pe no. A rascal. Bombo clad boy. Idiot. Stupid. Fallacy ni.
Me so man say asem ya de bia na achi me say. Ha? Kami twa no kakra bi gewe ana kama na kokan. Ge nani ate ono nkoka. Be kama.